Front foot elevated split squats. That's what we're doing today. I'm Dr. John, and we're gonna break this exercise down. So, what's nice about this exercise is that obviously it's gonna be a good strength building exercise, but we're also challenging our stability. We're now gonna be in this staggered stance rather than having our feet hip distance apart standing next to each other. First, what you're gonna need is a step or some type of elevated surface that's about 2 to 4 inches, nothing high, definitely nothing higher than that 4-inch mark. And then whether you start with dumbbells or you try it first without, that is completely up to you, but I'm gonna be using dumbbells here just to show you guys what that looks like. To get started, we're going to place one of your feet, I'm gonna do my left foot on the step here, and I'm gonna step back with my right foot. You can see my heel is up off the ground. If you're too close and your heel's on the ground, you're gonna end up like, I can't actually get down very far. My ankle stops me. So make sure that your heel is off the ground, you're in this lunge kind of stance, and you have enough room to drive that knee straight to the ground. I'm gonna grab my dumbbells. I'm gonna hold one in each hand and I'm stepping back. The key is that I'm not going to lean forward, I'm not going to shift forward, I'm purely moving this knee straight to the ground. Whether you touch the ground or you stop just above, that'll be a little bit more difficult, but again, that's up to you, you can do it either way. If I start to lean forward, you can see I now feel that more so in my quads than in my glutes and my hamstrings. So make sure to stay nice and tall. You're looking up and forward, and then driving that knee straight to the ground. I'm also not coming forward like in a lunge. Again, that's gonna put more stress through that knee and your quads. And that's not what we're looking for. So standing nice and tall, you're gonna do 8 to 10 reps on one side, and then you're gonna switch legs and repeat the process. Because doing one side is just never enough. But like I said, this is a great way to strengthen in a more challenging stability position, because now we're getting closer to the single leg stance. And what you might find is that one leg forward is a little bit easier or more difficult than the other. That is how you do a front foot elevated split squat.